Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is divisibility. Now, what is meant by divisibility? Divisibility means nothing but the division of the numbers without any remainder. Divisibility means the division of numbers without any remainder. Okay, this remainder should be 0, 0. So students, divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. I gave in the notes. You have to read the notes, and we are dealing with the divisibility test of 3, 4 and 9. So divisibility test 2, 5, 10 that I gave in the notes, you have to read that. Okay. So for our practice set number 22, we need these three divisibility tests, that is divisibility test 3, 4 and 9. So let's start. First we will see the divisibility test of 3. Now what is divisibility test for 3? If the sum of the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, a number given to you. Okay, so we have to check that number is divisible by 3, completely divisible by 3, or we have to test the divisibility test of 3. Then what we have to do? We have to add all the digits in the given number and then divisible whatever we got the addition, then we have to divide by 3 if the addition of the given digits is completely divisible by 3 or the remainder is 0, 0, then that number we can say that is divisible by 3. So one example here, 9336, 9336. So we have to check whether we have to apply the divisibility test 3 here, or this number 9336 is divisible by 3 or not. So what we have to do? We have to add every digit. So 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 21. Okay. If you add this 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 21, and 21 we have to divide by 3. So 3 sevens are 21. Okay. So this 21 is divisible by 3 completely. So 9336 is divisible by 3. This is one example. Two more examples I wrote. We will see the first one, that is 485. What we have to do? In the given number we have to add all the digits. First digit is 4 plus second digit is 8 plus 5. Now we have to add this or to write the answer. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 17. So 17, now we have to 17 divided by 3. So we have to divide 17 by 3, but 17 is not divisible by 3. So this 485 is not divisible by 3. So divisibility test of 3 is not applicable for 485. Okay. Now we see the next example. That is 6342. As we know our divisibility test, if the sum of the digits in a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So we have to add all the digits of the given number. So first digit is 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2, and addition is 6 3 plus 9, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15. Okay. Now 15. So we got the sum of this digit is 15, so we have to divide 15 by 3. We know if we divide 15, 3 5s are, so we got 5. So we got the 5 answer. So here student, this way you have to solve the examples from the practice set number 22. I will explain that also later. Now how you have to write this way. and you are right. Therefore, 6342 is divisible by 3. This way you have to solve the example. If the given number is not divisible, here up to here you have to write, and then you have to write whatever you have to do the division, the remainder you have to write, and then you have to write. For example, this one 485 is not divisible by 3. This way you have to, but you have to do the addition, division also, write the answer, okay, the question and remainder also, and then you have to write. Therefore, this 485 is not divisible by 3. This way you have to solve, student. Now we'll move to the next divisibility test, that is divisibility test for 4. Okay. Now this is little bit different from 3 and 9. So see, if the number formed by the digits in the tens and unit place, here we have to deal with whatever the given number, we have to deal with the digits given in the 10 and unit place or ones place. Okay. Of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So the example is here 8576. Here only we have to consider the digits or the numbers given in 10 place and unit place or ones place. So here 76 is given. So only this tens place digit that we have to divide by 4. So 76 divided by 4. So 4 19s are 76. So 8576 divisible by 4. This way you have to solve. Now two more examples I wrote here. We will see this. First is 387. As per the divisibility test of 4, we have to consider the 10 place and unit place. So here 87. Now I have to divide 87 by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4. Sorry, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Here 0. Then bring 7 down. So 7 is not divisible by 4. So here you have to write, therefore 387 is not divisible by 4. This way you have to solve. Okay. One more example we'll see, that is 2348. 2348. So we'll consider, according to the divisibility test of 4, we'll consider the 10th place and unit place. Okay, so the number is 48. So I have to divide 48 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0, bring this 8 down. 4 twos are 8. We get 0. So here we here we see the completely division. So remainder is 0, remainder is 0 and quotient is 12. So we can write there here 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Therefore 2348 is divisible by 4. This way you have to solve, and this division you have to do roughly, student. This you have to do roughly. In the 2 steps you have to write this. Understood? Mark the unit place and 10 place digits, then divide. If you got the division completely, then you have to write the number is dash dash, the given number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, if not, then you have to write that this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, I hope you understood these 2 tests. Now, third test is divisibility test for 9. So 3 and 9 are similar. Okay, same process you have to do. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, here completely divisible by 3, 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Here one example is given, 38,205. So 38,205 What we have to do? We have to add each and every digits of the given number. So 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5. That gives 18. Okay. So we have to divide this 18 addition of all the digits by 9. Why 9? Because that is the divisibility test of 9. Okay. So 18 divided by 9, we got 2. So here the division is completely, we got the remainder 0. So 38,205 at last you have to write divisible by 9. Now two more example I wrote here. Well, let's check that. First is 5,723. According to the divisibility test of 9, what you have to do? We have to add all the number 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, that gives 17. 17. Now we have to divide it. 17 is the addition of these digits. We have to divide it by 9. But 9 2s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 17 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so we have to write therefore 5,723 is not divisible by 9. Okay, this way you have to write. Now we will move to the second example. Second example, 98,748. We will check that. 98,748. According to the divisibility test of for 9, we have to add all the digits is equal to first digit 9 plus second digit 8 plus third digit 7, fourth digit 4 plus 8. Okay, so now we have to add this. Here the addition is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 29, 20 plus 9, 29, plus 1, 30, and we got 36. Now 36. So we have to divide by 9. 9 4s are 36. So this 36 number is completely divisible by 9. We got the question 4. Therefore we have to write therefore 98,758 is divisible by 9. Okay. Now I hope you understood this, student. We'll see the practice set number 30. Sorry, I said 31. That is practice set number 22. 31 in previous class. Okay. Now see, student, what you have to do. There is nice pictures of some trees are given. Very good. Now the question is, there are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. Is whatever the flowers on the trees, the numbers are printed there. Three children took a basket each to pick flowers. Each basket has one of the numbers 3, 4 or 9 on it. Each child picks those flowers which have numbers divisible by the number on his or her basket. He or she takes only one flower from each tree. Can you tell which numbers in the flowers in the baskets will have? So all the moral of this example is, you have to, from the given numbers, you have to check the divisibility test of 3, 4 and 9. How? Look here. So in the given example, students, what you have to do, how you have to solve this? First write numbers of the flower, number of flowers. So there are numbers, some numbers are given like 111, then 369, 435, 356, 960. So all the given numbers you have to write first, and then we have to apply, we have to check the given numbers with the divisibility test of 3, 4 and 9. So for example, first 111 means 111. So which you have to check this one means then this calculation you have to do roughly 3, 4, 9. You have to check 111. You have to apply their divisibility test of 3, then 4 and 9 also. These 3, 4, 9s you are applying. This you have to do roughly, okay, and then you have to write which for example, this we are talking 111. This number is where that is in basket number 3, 4 or 9 means that is divisible of 3, 4 or 9. So if we see generally 111, if we apply the divisibility test of 3, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, okay, and 3 is divisible by 3. So the first answer, I think this is this 111 is here. Then you can check 369 like this way and write the numbers where that numbers are divisible by 3, 4 or 9. So alright, first all the numbers and do the calculation roughly. First use the divisibility test of 3, 4 and 9 each and every number, okay, and then you have to write, because some numbers maybe they are divisible by 3 and 9 also. So both 3 and 9 also you have to write, okay. Maybe some numbers are divisible by 3 and 4 also. When you are solving this, then you will understand. For example, 999, okay. So if you apply 3's divisibility test and 9, so 919 is divisible by 3 also and 9 also. So you have to write 999 in the basket with the number 3 and basket with the number 9 also, isn't it? I hope you understood, students. Try to solve. If you any doubt, then ask me on my WhatsApp number. Till there, students, take care. Bye bye.